I guess first and foremost, we actually saw a degradation of our credit of our members here at the credit union. If you go back 5 or 6 years, we could actually loan individuals money that we couldn't recently. Their credit scores had dropped maybe 30, 40, 50 points, and we were seeing this in enough applications that we could tell that they were struggling, that this recession, whether it's jobs or employment or changes in maybe their creditors, things like that, we could actually see it in our membership. I guess if I had to just say why did we do it? To help our members. I mean, we saw the need, we had identified it earlier, and we're in the business of loan money, as any institution is. And when your membership is struggling, then you're struggling. Excellent. So we had to find a way to help them. Once you get a little taste of this and you understand what you're doing and how great the need is, then you realize you can uniquely identify your institution. One of the things that we wanted to do was increase Pelican's reputation, increase our credibility, show members that we were more than just a lending institution. That they have plenty of choices out there on the street with banks and credit unions, but we wanted to go the extra mile. We wanted to let them know, here's a place that you can come, and we have multiple resources to assist you with whatever's going on in your life. We actually saw the fact that we were loaning less money than we had in previous years, and yet we were growing the credit union and we had more members. So that told us, okay, either we're not competitive on our rates or there's something going on with our membership. So loan portfolio, unsecured loans, auto loans was decreasing. And when we identified that and we got to looking at some of our own members and we found out that they had qualified previously but they weren't qualifying now under the same credit criteria, we knew we had a problem. Empower everyone. That's our slogan here. We want to get everybody out there. We want them all to have the tools available, and it's really been fantastic. Our employees have loved the training. Several of them have sent us emails and management saying this helped me personally. I can see how it would help the membership. It's a great certification process. It's got 8 different modules. They cover everything under the sun. I myself, when I went through it, I was like, wow, there's some information here I wasn't aware of. So really being able, no matter at what contact point, to be able to assist that member. That's what it's about. These are tough times. Sure, the last 5 years were tough times with the mortgage crisis and everything else, but several individuals maybe made it through that process and they've used all the tools that they thought were available to them, and now they're at the breaking point. Sometimes we can employ different strategies in our own personal life to get us through tough times. And then sometimes we just run out of strategies and you need someone else to assist you. And that's what we want to be. We want to be the credit union that's there to assist them. We want to be able to, ideally, if we can identify the need early, then we can get more assistance to that individual. Sometimes if it's identified late, it's almost catastrophic. It's just like the whole world's caving in on them. And then you have less tools to be able to assist them with. So if we can identify it early, there's a multitude of opportunities there in which we can assist that individual.
Indeed.
Again, it's something that our heart was involved in. It's something that we all felt was important to our credit union, important to our membership. And I'm anxious to see how it continues to grow, because I feel like we're in the early stages. Even though we have our credit counselors that we had certified, now all the staff is certified under the community development CDU strategic planning. I feel like we're on the edge of something that's just going to grow exponentially. I really feel like as members find out what we can do for them, that they're going to tell maybe some non-members, and those individuals will come to the credit union for assistance, and the word will spread.